Welcome to another educational, entertaining and funny episode on Caught on DashCam. In today's episode again we prepared the fresh and amazing content of bad drivers on the road, so watch carefully and learn from their mistakes. Important to notice is that we do not condone any violence and also nobody is injured in our videos. Enjoy.
Oh man, look at this. How do you break down right? Don't come over there. Don't come over there. Trying to help you guys behind me. Don't go over there. How do you, you know, it's like I saw yesterday when I went to the dentist. Somebody right on the bridge. Don't put your flashes on or anything, you stupid. Don't tell the rest of the world that you got problems. Just leave your doors open. That's good enough signal. Come on! Look how light, you stupid. Jesus Christ!
Red light camera in 0.1 mile.
Don't worry, man.
Red light camera in 0.1 mile.
Sitting here, look at the brake lights, look at the brake lights. I'm backed up. This guy's running into me. Nah, fam, you a liar. Don't look to me like the guy ran into you, homeboy. It looked to me like you ain't even have brake lights on, dog. You was just, you know, you was coasting. I guess he thought he was in an automatic truck. You understand? You take your foot off the gas and it just stops by itself. Dudes is liars. And he tried to dip out. Shout out to the liars, not Ciehpos.
I'm about to whip somebody's ass. Oh, I'm about to whip somebody's ass. Oh, if you don't leave me alone, you're gonna have to send me home. 'Cause I'm about to whip somebody's ass.
500 шлангов, 1000 и 500 скарбов в бутылке. Откуда?
Не знаю.
Well, I'd do it in a heartbeat. Shit, you know what he told me? Well, I'll get somebody else on.
Miles away, 230, and they're not going to head north into a major storm. Not with so many ice floes to negotiate. Neither of them spoke. The banshee shriek of the wind filled their silence. Furies.
Guy in the pickup next to us blew a tire on his trailer.
To sit rear facing. Yeah. Because obviously your neck is already taking up the slack, as it were, so there is no whiplash to be had. I guess as long as it's got a bit of padding, you have to make sure your seats are just...
Oh! She's not even looking at you. Jesus Christ. Oh!
By comparison, creating obvious visual cues can draw your attention toward a desired habit. In the early 1990s, the cleaning staff at Schiphol Airport in Amsterdam installed a small sticker that looked like a fly near the center of each urinal. Apparently, when men stepped up...
As a singer, entertainer, yeah, just doesn't have that look, right?
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.